Welcome to ultimatedrumming.com. I'm Jim McCall. I'm going to show you this really great sounding double shuffle pattern. First, I'm going to play it for you. Then I'm going to break it down note by note and show you how it works. A 1, a 2, a 3. When playing these great sounding shuffle beats, you got to be thinking eighth note triplets with the ride pattern. I count triplets evenly, 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 evenly. The ride pattern will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Evenly, 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 evenly. Now when I'm playing the shuffle, I'm going to leave out the middle note of the triplet, or the end note. So it'd go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Evenly, 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 evenly. Now saying all those evenlies gets to be a mouthful. So to simplify it, I'm going to count 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 up. But I have to maintain that triplet feel throughout. It's going to go like this. Evenly, evenly, 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4. In this great sounding shuffle beat, I'm playing a swing pattern with my right hand while playing the continuing shuffle pattern with my left hand. It's going to go like this. Right hand. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Left hand's going to be playing on everything I say, like in the shuffle pattern. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2. I'm going to coordinate both hands together. 1, a 2, a 3. Now, like the other shuffle patterns, you want to try and accent the 2 and 4 with the left hand without affecting the volume of the right hand. So it's going to go like this. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. I'm going to add the bass drum on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 1, a 2, a 3. Now once you get comfortable at that speed, we're going to pick up the tempo. It's smart practice to play a couple measures with ride pattern on the closed hi-hat, a couple measures ride pattern on the ride cymbal, and switch back and forth. Something like this. A 1, a 2, a 3. And there it is, another excellent sounding rhythmic pattern you can add to your drumming repertoire. I'm Jim McCall. Thanks for watching and visiting ultimatedrumming.com.